everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to access your English and math resources through ThinkCentral. So let's start by clicking on the browser and type www.thinkcentral.com. Press enter. You will find this page. Click on Reading and Language Arts. Click on Journeys. This will bring you the login page and type in your username. Go to My Library. You will find Mathematics and Reading. So when the Mathematics is selected, you will find all the resources related to Mathematics. When you click on Reading, you will find all the books related to English. I click on Level Readers. I pick up one of the categories here. When Grandpa Was a Boy. I picked up one of the stories just to show you how it works. Okay, and then you can play the sound.
Grandpa was a boy many years ago.
So just play the sound to get the correct pronunciation of the words, and the keywords are highlighted also. You can move on to the next pages like that and play the sound again. This is how it works. Now I go back to my ThinkCentral. Let's go to Mathematics. And I'll tell you a couple of books here. We have this Go Math Student Edition. Click on it. And you can either pick up the HTML format or Flash. It's just the same thing, but different interfaces. I will pick up HTML. Okay, so you get, you can click on the contents to find something here. I'll go back to the main contents. Okay, so I have all the units here. Unit 1, Chapter 1, and pick up any topic. And you can listen to the sound, what's asking you to do.
Listen and draw. Real world.
All right, so you can keep on moving like that. This is your student edition. Okay, now I go back to my main menu, and I will find this practice book. So here I will pick up my practice book. And then I can look at the table of contents here, pick up any topic, let's say model addition, and then I can find all this stuff here to practice. Okay, this thing can also be printed. So this is it for ThinkCentral. Thank you.